Thank you, Francisco. First of all, I would like to thank you all once again for being here today and in the name of SDEWES, the national cluster leader for Croatian cluster. Well, first of all, when we started this project, we as an experts and scientific researchers in SDEWES knew a little bit about what we actually want to transfer and what we actually want to achieve or from our perspective. And we were really interested in connecting all branches, so all types of engineering, of urban planning, and users of energy, so the tenants and owners of buildings, all these other stakeholders which we successfully addressed in these last 2 years are actually the source of information which we so far weren't able to come by so easily. So at the very beginning, our partners from APN and from City of Osijek were already valuable for us and for multi-level coordination, because this is one partner from national level and one partner from the very local level. So actually we started with multi-level coordination on the first meeting. But exploring all the stakeholders that are involved in Croatia in the process of urban regeneration and in the questions of energy efficiency was something that also enriched us and the whole Croatian national cluster. And I'm really happy to see lots of familiar faces from our previous events today also. What was the first idea for us is to first start with addressing a few stakeholders that we already knew that are more or less key on the national level. For example, the Ministry of Construction and Physical Planning, of course our partners from APN, the Environment Preservation and Energy Efficiency Fund, also what we identified in the first year as a very significant partner for the today and for the future is the Ministry of Culture, because of some issues that we identified and will be elaborated in a little bit more detail by my colleague. So these 2 years we met a lot of people and we discovered a lot of different and yet a little bit disconnected opinions and views on urban regeneration. And bringing them together on the same table and discussing in each of the events and in between when we were consulting with some of them was really, I think, a good step forward for energy efficiency and urban regeneration in Croatia. And we really hope that we will continue during this path, and in some future cooperation we will keep exchanging these opinions and finding solutions and also implementing the new projects. Well, probably there is a lot of things that we could say, but I wouldn't like to let's say, give all the details in front, because my colleague from City of Osijek really created a nice presentation and covered a lot of details, so I will just now give floor to her. Please, Sonja Korš from City of Osijek.